Good morning. Today we have with us Mr. Prashant Sule, Managing Director Canon Hygiene. So we'll ask him what effect, what benefit does this kind of seminar has on the cleaning industry.
Well, one of the most important thing is that if a lot of people, especially facility managers and facility people, have come here for this kind of a seminar, they can hear on the same platform what are the different new products in the market, how the effect of that new product is going to be, whether it is cleaning, whether it is hygiene or whatever. And they can even interact with each other and find out as to what is every other company, so that they are sure whether what they are using is right or wrong.
So I wanted to ask, like, washroom hygiene, it's like the most important yet neglected part of housekeeping. So what are your thoughts, like about bringing the priority back to washroom hygiene?
It's absolutely right. It is no doubt most important, because all the bacteria which is affecting you is created there. And from there you're taking it around to all over the place, and it is neglected because no one knows it, and people do not understand the importance of hygiene in the washroom. So bringing it back, well, it was never there. So where is the question of bringing it back? Introducing it. We are educating the people at large, the public at large, the employers and things like that, that it's very important. Some of the people talked about productivity losses and increase in productivity when you make your employees comfortable. This is the way to make your employees comfortable, by telling them that yes, what you're getting, you are living in an absolutely hygienic area, you're working in an hygienic area, and that's what they require. Once that kind of confidence can be created, people are happy to work. Apart from that, just imagine that what are you doing? I mean, you are having a loss of manpower, attendance is going down in your places because people are falling. Why are they falling sick? Because of the unhygienic conditions created in the washroom, because the bacteria which is moving around, and you all are, creating illnesses and sicknesses in the company, and you are getting absenteeism. So that can be stopped.
Okay, all right. Yeah. So thank you, Mr. Sule.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.